Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Flutter from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head with a long heart shape. Next inside, let's draw two large ovals for the eyes. And then inside an oval towards the center. And then color both of these in black. Lastly, underneath each eye, let's draw two lines down for the eyelashes. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the antenna. We'll start with a curve up and curve it down. And the same on the right side. And now underneath each side, let's draw an upside down heart shape. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve down. And then another curve on both sides. Now let's hop up next to the head and let's draw a curve down and in. Now underneath, let's draw two curves going down and out. And a curve across the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw two curves for the feet. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move out and draw the wings. Let's start on top next to the head and let's draw a large curve out and bring it back down. And the same on the right side. Then another bump underneath. And then one more smaller one on both sides. Lastly, let's draw the heart pattern inside on the wings. Inside at the top, let's draw a heart on an angle. And then add another one inside. And that's it for Flutter. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!